Hey, sugar, what is up? Welcome back to another one. No, I'm just playing with y'all. But welcome back to another wig review install type tutorial. Okay, so y'all already know that I work with LUVME Hair a lot. So thank you once again to LUVME Hair for sponsoring today's video. So what we are getting into today is this beautiful bob wig. I want to say this is an 8-inch wig, but I will put it on the screen just in case I am wrong. But we are going to get into this bob unit. So first things first, pre-bleached. As y'all can see, you don't have to do any type of customizations to this wig at all, okay? That means no BW powder, no 30 developer, no blue lightning or whatever else kind of lighting systems you use. You don't have to do none of that, okay? So the box comes with a few little goodies, of course. It has the silicone band, it has this cute little purple brush, and it has a darker cap, which I actually have never used the darker caps. So I'm like, you know what, let me take my light skin cap off and go into this dark skin cap, this darker brown. But anyway, as you know, all of the LUVME Hair units come with these clips. They come with 2 clips in the front to secure your wig on the side. It comes with an adjustable band, and it also has clips in the middle and in the back. Some people aren't, some people don't like clips. I actually really enjoy the clips, especially on the perimeter, because like for instance, if you chose to use the silicone band, that's actually used for non-slip, so that helps your wig stay in place. But actually for me, it kind of gives me a headache, so I really like having the clips on the side because it just makes me feel very secure in my wig, especially because this is a glueless unit. So nonetheless, let's go ahead and keep going. So first things first, do y'all see this hair? Like, what's up? What's up? Huh? What you say? Like, y'all know when y'all get new hair and it just be swinging and you like boom, boom, boom. Yep, that's what I was doing. Anyway, y'all know I like to play. So let's go ahead and do half glueless and half melted down because I want you guys to see that this lace is so doggone good. Okay, baby, it's so good that you cannot tell the difference. So on the left side, I sprayed it down with some of my Eben Wonder Lace spray. And then on the right side, we just hit it with a little bit of mousse because really and truly, that's all you need is just a little bit of mousse to go ahead and melt it down. And obviously it's not going to be like a traditional melt, but it's going to be a melt that just gives you like that nice lay on the lace so that your lace stays flat to the skin and gives that glueless melted appearance, right? So after that, we're just gonna put the melting band on for a little while until I get done straightening the hair. What I can say absolutely first thing first about this hair, this is a really great quality hair, okay? The hair was very dense. It was nice and full and thick. And I think this is actually only a 180% density. But when I say it feels like it's more than that, this hair was very dense. It was very full. It was very thick. Honestly, I did not see any of the filler pieces. I think I might have saw one because, sometimes when you have your units, even if they are 100%, you have like those little like silver or red little filler pieces. Baby, it didn't have none of that, okay? And I like that this unit already came as a blunt cut bob because I didn't have to do anything. Like I said, this is one of those units that you truly just have to take it out of the package, throw it on your head, and go out the door. And like I said, I'm just using the example of melting half of it because I want you guys to see that there's really no difference. But this wig is really meant for you to just take it out of the package, throw it on so you can get out the door. You don't have to worry about anything, okay? So that is the convenience of the glueless wigs. And I feel like that is one of the ultimate convenience factors when it comes to LUVME Hair because their motto legit is like, switch it up. Be able to switch it up. That is what they value themselves on. And I love that because one thing that I really appreciate is just being able to change up my look all the time, right? Like, who wants to be boring? Like, who wants to wear a ponytail every day? Who wants to wear a body wrap every day? I'm just playing. Some people do. And kudos to you if you do. I'm just playing, y'all. I really just want y'all to understand that it's all about switching it up, changing up the look, and all of that. So, do y'all see? I'm pointing to the left side. The left side was the one that I melted down, right? Okay, so you see that it's intact. But do we see the right side of this hair? This is glueless. Remember, I didn't put any glue on this side. This is 100% glueless on this right side. As you can see, I'm sticking my comb through it. We're pushing it back up in there. So look at the lace, you guys. Look at this quality lace. This lace is 100% legit. I almost want to say it's an HD lace, but I'm gonna have to verify that with the link of the hair. But even if it ain't, it definitely is giving that appearance. And then you see I put the concealer down the middle of the hair. Honey, this hair looks like it is literally coming out of my scalp. Like, do y'all see that? The flow of the hair, the glueless, like I said, throw it on at any moment, the silkiness of this hair. And this is not giving silky like synthetic hair. This is like some legit high quality hair. Okay, so that is today's tutorial. Like I said, very quick, very simple, because again, it's a glueless wig. This is meant for you to just throw on, walk out the door, and be done. But baby, I am serving. I mean, my forehead is out there because I got a big forehead, but you know, I love this look. So this is the video. Y'all already know what I'm about to say. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, baby. And also make sure that you are hitting that notification bell as well, so you can see when the videos is going up on the channel. All right, y'all. Love y'all. Bye.